Using our knowledge of implicit differentiation together with our knowledge of logarithms can enable us to differentiate functions of the form y equals a to the x, where a is a positive number. Beginning with y equals a to the x, take the natural log of both sides. This side becomes ln y. This side becomes ln a to the x. So ln y, using our knowledge of logs, becomes x ln a. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. This becomes 1 over y dy dx. This side just becomes ln a. Remember, ln a is just a number. If we differentiate 2x, we get 2. So x ln a will just become ln a. And then dy dx is equal to y ln a. But of course y is a to the x. So dy dx is equal to a to the x ln a. As a specific example, consider y equals 2 to the x. This will become dy dx equals 2 to the x ln 2.